Do you know how Miramare Castle got its name? In Italian, the name Miramare means admire the sea, and that is exactly what you can do from every window of this castle. Today, Miramare Castle is one of Italy's most popular museums, but once it was the home of Maximilian of Habsburg, brother of the Austrian Emperor, and his wife Charlotte of Belgium. The couple were visiting Trieste and fell in love with this enchanting stretch of coastline. And so, Maximilian had a castle built here, made of white stone and surrounded by extensive gardens. He was so enamoured of the sea that he even had his bedroom decorated and furnished to look like a ship's cabin. And there are anchor symbols in various places throughout the castle. The castle may look like a very romantic place, but watch out if you go down to its small harbour. At the end of the jetty, there sits a silent sentinel, looking out with a homesick air. It's a sphinx. Legend has it that the sphinx is awaiting her return to Egypt, the land from which she was taken many, many years ago. That is why she looks like she's in such a bad mood. If you want to avoid bad luck, it's best not to take her photograph, or even give someone a kiss if she's close by.